I'm not close enough to you.
What the heck?
Come here.
What? Ow, my hair.
I'm sorry.
I'm a man.
Help me. I can't. Oh.
Where did you get real cuffs?
Cousin Dave. Where's the latch, though?
What do you mean latch?
Yeah, you know, the little thing to pull them off?
The thing to pull them off. The cuff key?
No, these are the fake ones.
No,
right?
you got real handcuffs from a real cop. And now we are really screwed.
I'm close to you. Really? Can we call him up real quick?
Tuck your hand in like this. We didn't tighten it up enough on you. Hold on.
One of our neighbor's cops?
Actually, yeah. He's a sheriff.
We might have to go.
Come on.
Oh, no. What did I do? I'm so sorry.
Now is not the time to panic.
This is the perfect time to panic.
Look, I know our sheriff neighbor didn't answer his door, but we got to figure this out, okay?
I saw in a movie once, they did like a bobby pin thing. You think you can do that? You pick it?
What choice do we have?
All right, let's go. I can't find the bobby pin.
I find bobby pins in my toes from stepping them on all the time. What are you talking about?
Oh, that one. I think you're doing it wrong.
I need absolute silence.
Babe,
I need silence.
listen.
Okay, the chicken wing's not working. Hold on.
All right. I don't know if this will help, but Dave gave me this dog whistle.
Dog whistle?
Yeah, I don't know what the heck a dog whistle is going to do to help us.
This is the key.
It's a dog whistle.
It's the cuff key.
What?
Blow it.
I'm not a dog. I'm not going to be able to hear it.
Key.
I'll be darned. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Here, hold on. Stick your wrist out of this.
Yeah. No, you didn't. Babe! Babe!